Okay, let's start first with the intercepts. When we say intercepts, that is the points of intersection of the graph to the axis. Okay, so when we talk about x-intercept, that is the intersection of the graph to the x-axis. And when we have the y-intercept, that is the point of intersection of the graph to the y-axis. Okay, let's have an example. Suppose we have f of x is equal to 5 over x plus 3. So let us find first the x-intercept. And when we are looking for the x-intercept, we will let y be equal to 0. Okay, so you can see f of x here is also equal to y. Okay, so f of x will be changed to y. Therefore, the function will be equal to 0 since we have y is equal to 5 over x plus 3. Then, to solve this, let us cross multiply. So 0 will be 0 over 1. 0 times x plus 3, that is 0, is equal to 1 times 5 that is 5. Okay, it says that 0 is equal to 5. That is not true. Okay, it is true that 0 is not equal to 5. Okay, since we don't have variable x here, we can say that x-intercept doesn't exist. Okay, so for our x-intercept, there is no solution. Okay, no solution. So it means that there is no intersection of the graph to the x-axis. Okay, since there is no solution. Okay, let's proceed to the y-intercept. So we will let x be equal to 0. All the x terms will be equal to 0. So f of x will be equal to y is equal to 5 over x plus 3 will be equal to 0 plus 3. Okay, and 0 plus 3 is equal to 3. Therefore, since we obtain 5 over 3 as the value of y, it means that our intercept or y-intercept is 0 and 5 over 3. It means that the points of or the point of intersection of the graph to the y-axis is at 0 and 5 over 3. Okay, this will be the point of intersection of the graph to the y-axis. And this is our y-intercept. Okay, let's proceed to the next graph or next function rather. So we have f of x is equal to 5 minus x over x plus 3. Let us find the x-intercept. So f of x will be equal to y. Okay, so when dealing with x-intercept, we will let y be equal to 0. Okay, so we will be having 0 is equal to 5 minus x over x plus 3. Okay, to solve this, we have to cross multiply. 0 times x plus 3 is equal to 0. We have 1 times 5 minus x is 5 minus x. So to solve for x, we have to transpose this negative x to the other side. Negative will become positive. We will be having x is equal to 5. Therefore, our x-intercept is 5 and 0. Okay, the obtained value 5 and 0 as the value of y coordinate. Okay, so this the graph intersects at 5 and 0. Okay, that is at the x-axis. So let's have the y-intercept. we will let x be equal to 0, all the x terms will be equal to 0. Okay, so we will be having y is equal to 5 minus x will be 5 minus 0, and that is equal to 5, over x plus 3 will become 0 plus 3, and that is equal to 3. Okay, so since we obtained 5 over 3 as the value of y, therefore our y-intercept will be uh, 0 as the x-coordinate, since we use x is equal to 0, and 5 over 3.